First five, first five.
Kujap.
Sabi ko baka sa kanan sa litro pa yun eh.
Let's do this! Recharge! Ang punta!
First five, first five.
Tuloy pa tayo.
Ready, timer!
No good. Rebound with jersey number 4. Number 55. Pass to number 5. Number 5. Na, nawala ang bola. Pass to number 6 again. Number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 8. Number 8. Wala. Rebound jersey number 6. Pinasa niya number 10. Number 10. Pumukol sa 3. Wala. Rebound jersey number 77. 77. Pass to number 3. 2 points. Jersey number 3. Assist by jersey number 77. Number 23. No good. Rebound jersey number 77. 77 again. Pass to jersey number 3. Pass to jersey number 5. Wala. Rebound jersey number 16. To number 8. Number 8. Wala pa rin. Rebound jersey number 23. Number 23. Pinasa sa kalaban ka jersey number 77. 77. Drive. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 10. Pass to number 23. Number 8. 2 points. Jersey number 8. Jersey number 3. Pass to number 5. Number 55 to jersey number 4. 5. 3 to shoot. Number 4. Wala. Jersey number 5. Wala pa rin. Number 5 again. Na-steal pero nakuha number 77. Sablay. Nakakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Binababa ang bola. Number 8. 2 points. Jersey number 77. Wala. Pass to number 5. Supply si number 55. Nakuha number 10. Pinasa kay number 8. Number 8. Pinasa kay number 6. Wala pa rin. Nakuha number 23. 2 points. Jersey number 23. Number 5. Pinasa sa kay number 4. Wala. Rebound jersey number 8. Number 8. Binababa ang bola. Pass to number 23. Nabitawan. Nakakuha niya pa rin. Pinasa kay number 8. Pinasa kay number 10. Pumeke. Kunwari lang. 2 points. Para kay number 10. Number 5. Number 5. 2 points. Jersey number 5.
Blackers, oh. Blackers.
Ready for change 5.
Mahirap pa yun, kuya.
Sige, ako pala kayo.
Nagtingin ko na lang.
Number 8, Supply. Nakakuha ni number 3. Number 3, pass to number 77. 77, wala pa rin. Nakakuha ni number 3. Number 3, pumukol. Ang pasa. 77 to number 4, 2 points. Change 5 tayo, change 5. Palit 5, palit.
Eh, dalawa ko yung mic tsaka ano eh. Tingnan mo oh. Tingnan mo yung ano mo, bata mo rito.
Palit 5, palit.
Ano yung nasa game ba? Ha? Ano ba yung doon, kay One Moon.
$15 to shoot. 23. 28. 23 to 28. 10 to shoot. 91. 5 to shoot. Wala. Number 3. Pinasa number 5. Number 5. 2 points. Jersey number 5.
Sorry.
Number 6. Pass to number 23. Number 6 to number 8. Number 8 to number 28. Wala. Rebound nino. Di kinuha. Sayang. Rebound na yun eh. Assist na sana. Di mo kinuha yung rebound. Sayang. Kaya ko bulit. 3 minutes. 3 minutes 45 seconds. Number 5 to number 7. Gusto pala ng 3. Sablay. Naon nino. Good. Naon number 8. Pinasa patalikod. Bola na. South. Number 20. 10. Second shot clock. Now number 8. 2 points. Jersey number 8. Number 5. Dribbling the ball. Number 5. Pass to Kuya Wambol. Pumukol sa 3. Sayang. Sablay. Rebound ni number 8. Di kasi shot yung short. Yung puro babae. Number 28. Pinasa number 8. Pinasa number 23. 2 points. Assist by jersey number 8. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Jersey number 5. 2 points. Jersey number 5.
All 12 na kaya.
Official score. All 12. Number 8 to number 23. Foul. Basket. Foul. Jersey number 7. First personal foul. Jersey number 7. Sablay na ako ni jersey number 4. Pass to Kuya Wambol. Number 7 to number 3. Number 3. 15 second shot clock. Pinasa na steal number 91. Pass to number 6. 45 seconds. Number 6. Pass to number 23. 2 points. Assist by jersey number 6. Time remaining 40 seconds. Number 7 to number 3. Pumukol. 3 points by jersey number 3. Time remaining 25 seconds. 20 seconds. 12 second shot clock. 10 to shoot. Number 8. Sablay. 10 seconds. Remaining time. Time remaining 5 seconds. And then the first quarter official score 16-15 favor of South. West. Back to the ball game.
Sara. Poke mo. Ha? Sara na eh.
Second quarter.
Tignan mo 10 minutes na. Hindi kaya napo-full storage yan.
Number 7. Pass to number 20 to number 7. Nice steal. Nakakuha ni number 8. Wala. Rebound number 77. Doble 7. 7. Doble 7.
Luka.
Wala. Rebound Dino. Ni number 77 again. Pass to number 55. Pokyang. Ganda na sapatos. Silver. Now number 28. 28. Dribbling the ball. Number 28. Pass to number 10. Number 10. 2 points. Number 5. Oh, traveling tayo ng idol. Number 8. Pass to number 10. To number 28. 2 points. Jersey number 28.
Minutes pre.
15-second shot clock. Time to shoot. 5 to shoot. Bola na block. Jersey number 91. Good. Number 8. Number 8. Pass to number 28. Foul. Moving forward. Foul jersey number 7. Push. Second personal foul jersey number 7. Costly kasi yung chan. Push fumble.
Siyempre sa kanya to eh.
Basket. Official score 21-15. Sablay, rebound number 77. Pass to number 7. To number 5. Number 5. Foul. Jersey number 8. 2 shots. Basket. 28. 2 points. Jersey number 10.
Aray ko.
77. Sablay. Now number 8.
Ayun, kayo tayo. Panoorin mo yung Timothy Rumble mamaya.
Number 8. Sablay. 28. Wala. Rebound number 55. Number 7. 7. Uy! Uy! Sayang. Musli po pa jersey number 91. Number 91. 2 shots. Basket. Sablay, tapi kan, untuk pasunod. Oh, kita-kita. Number 7. Tatlo ka na, number 7. Nakabawi na. to shoot. Number 16 to number 28. Sablay. Nakakuha nino. Yan number 8. Number 8. Wala pa rin. 77. Pass to number 7. Ganda ng kombinasyon, no? 77. Uy, behind the scene. Grabe! Assist ni Wambol yan. Behind the scene. Nice steal. Number 5. Number 5. Wala. Kaping ang bola. Sa pool, sa likod. Nako number 77 to 7. Ganda ng kombinasyon. Basket para yung Wambol. 2 points.
Kinain sa loob eh. Sorry. Pandi ko kung masarap yan. Mainit-init at greaseless pa. Banatan
Ate,
nyo.
ate, ate,
Kunin ko na
ate.
yung plato. Thank you, coach. Mamaya, coach. Bagay ko lang yun. Saan ba dyan, coach? Saan ilalagay?
Number 28. 3 points. Wala ka na. Nagtaho ka na. Fourteen second shot clock.
Ande.
Di pwede sa walang ipin to. 5 second shot clock. 3 points. Change 5 tayo. Change 5. Palit 5. Palit. Tama na natin sa sige Wambol.
Sa'yo na lang, tatlo. Wala, hindi lumakas yan.
Change 5 po tayo.
Pangatlo niya naman. Hindi na pwede yung pwede.
15 second shot clock. Tawa number 4. 77 to number 3. Out of bounds.
Ay, hindi. Magamit sa ano. Case 5 na. Second 5 na yung first one. Second 5 na yung first one.
14 to shoot. Number 6. 10 to shoot. Puti ka na. Now number 3. Foul. Here's the number 6. Holding foul.
First.
First personal foul. Third team foul.
Uy, wala hangin dyan. Ubusin nyo na yan.
Hindi. Yung side na sabi mo. Bawat sa walang ipis.
Number 20. Sablay. Now number 23. 23. Alisok. Pass to number 10. To number 23. 14 second shot clock. 23. Sablay. Dalawa sila. Atong pa service. 77. Wala. Tanapig ang bola. Same ball tayo. 16 second shot clock.
Ubusin nyo na yan.
Dalawa.
May langin na. Masama. May langin eh.
Basta masa napito tayo, nilamang na.
Oo.
Wala! Rebound jersey number 10. Grabe. 2 minutes, 25 seconds. 23. 2 points. Sablay, number 3. Sablay pa rin, di ba number 28? Now number 23, 2 points. Thirty, 24. 1 minute and 45 seconds. 8 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Sablay, 77, 2 points. One minute and 25 seconds. Ten-second shot clock. 5 to shoot. Good. Good. Now number 4. 1 minute and 5 seconds. 15 to shoot.
Sabi niya.
2 points. 50 seconds. 45 seconds. 15 to shoot. 35 seconds. 30 seconds. Grabe. 15 to shoot. Sablay. 15 seconds. 2 points. Time remaining 10 seconds. 5 seconds. Basket 2 points. Jersey number 10.
Ngayon, nalangaw.
Hindi ate kay Jenny Cap yun.
Hindi pa rin. Maraming ginawa yun. Yan mo gawin, magkakalit ka.
Gagawin?
Yung alam ng siklet.
Tingnan mo. Sa iba yan ako. Wala ka ng pagkain, lubusan ka na.
Ano yan, Jim? Tatlo? Ang garam lasa.
Gin Paul.
Ang garam lasa.
Expand mo ang tubig. Blackboard.
Ah, wala na. Wala na. Ano ba si Waman? Sige ba?
Wala, kailangan no. Kaya ating nga lang, inabot ko eh. Bakit kumain eh. Kailangan mo eh. Ang lalaki yung bigay, tinabili ko at Marlon eh. Binigay sa akin sa praso na lang.
Langaw na, ayun, tingnan mo, kinisimot pa ng langaw.
Bilang mo kasi. Kasi kapag nilalangaw.
Ano mo kasi yung ano?
Okay.
Back to the ball game for our third quarter. Bola ng West. Bola ng West. Bola.
Hindi mo sila.
Ready. Back to the ball game for our third quarter. Number 23. Sablay, rebound jersey number 77. 77, 2 points. $15 to shoot. Number 8, foul. Pass off. Foul jersey number 55. First personal foul. 14-second shot clock. Number 8, 2 points. Number 5. Pass to number 77. To number 3. Sa ilalim, number 19. Sa gitna. Wala. Tapi ka ng bola. Nakakuha ni number 8. Nawala ang bola. Number 3, Sablay. Nakakuha ni number 8. Pinasa number 6 to number 26, 2 points. Official score 36-32. Basket, 2 points. Number 23, pass to number 28. Sumira, Sablay, rebound jersey number 55. Number 19 to number 3. 2 points. All 36. Number 6. Pass to number 28. 2 points. 38, 36. Number 19. Pinasa number 3. 2 points. Steal by number 77. 2 points. Lamang lang dalawa. 23. Foul. Jersey number 5. 2 shots. First personal foul. Second, team foul. Basket. Ball 40. Number 5 to number 19. Tumira ng dos. Wala. Bola ng South. Number 19 again. Bola. Block by number 8. Number 6. Dream na ball. Number 6 to number 28. 2 points. Assist by jersey number 6. Number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 19. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Binababa ang bola. Pinasa number 28. Wala. Ano yun? 77. Nakakuha number 19. Block by number 23. Number 6 to number 28. Timeout South. Official score 44-40. Time remaining 6 minutes and 6 seconds. Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game.
Third quarter na.
Pass the towel, please. 3 points. Jersey number 5. Now number 5. Number 5, all alone. 2 points. 45-44. Lamang na isa ang Team South. Number 23. 23. Pass to number 8. Wala. Arriba number 77. Number 5. Foul. Foul jersey number 8. Change 5 tayo. Change 5. Palit 5. Palit 5. 2 shots. Jersey number 5. Palit 5. Palit 5 po. Palit 5.
Sumando.
Fly. Sablay pa rin. Akin na to. Pass to number 10. Error. Four. 77. Sablay. Nako ni number 5. To number 20. Wala. Arriba 77 to number 20 again. Sablay pa rin. Nako number 30. Pinasa kay number 28. Alam na this. 2 points. 46-45. Number 5. Number 5 to number 77 to 7. 12 second shot clock. And to shoot. Number 5. Sablay. Nakakuha number 8. Number 8. Pinasa number 10. 2 points.
Time out na po kanina. Ang time out na kanina. Si ano? Si Wambol. Si Wambol nag-time out kanina. Time out siya kanina.
14 second shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Block. Second shot clock violation.
Ito ang nakaharap ako ron eh. Saan ako magiging yung oras?
3 minutes remaining time. Number 30. Sablay. Now number 5. Number 5. Pass to number 7. Sablay. Now number 10. Pass to number 30. To number 8. Number 8 to number 28. Wala. Now number 30. 2 points. Wala. Nako nino. Ni number 8. Number 8. Pasok. Traveling tayo ng idol. Two minutes and 10 seconds. $15 to shoot. Sablay, natapik na number 4 to number 77. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Good. Now number 30. Break pass. Two points. There's number 77. Substitution. Injury sub. Injury sub. One minute and 20 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Sablay, 77. 1 minute remaining time. Number 5, 2 points. 55 seconds. Sablay, nari pa number 20. 50 seconds. 15 to shoot. 35 seconds. Sablay. 30 seconds. 2 points. 20 seconds. 15 seconds. Foul, basket. Foul, jersey number 10. 11 seconds. Wala. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. And the end of third quarter. Official score 52-51.
Doon sa phone.
Gabi na, hindi dapat ako sa amin.
Fourth quarter. Bola ng Team South.
Kung karaan, dapat pag-ano kami, kung marunong, niyaya kami. Ayaw na pag-uli, strict siya. Ayaw na natin. Hindi ako makakagyan.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Number 5, 2 points. Two points, jersey number 8. Second shot clock. 10. 5 to shoot. Good. Number 6. Wala. Number 8. 2 points. Number 5 to number 19. Bola na. West. Number 23. Wala. Now number 30. Nako ni number. Same ball tayo. $56-53. 3-point lead. 8 to shoot. Foul. Basket. Foul, jersey number 5. Second personal foul. Wala. Number 5 to number 3. 15 to shoot. Number 19. Number 30. Foul. Jersey number 20. First personal foul. Second team foul. Basket. 59-53. Sablay. Number 5. Number 3. Sablay. Foul. Number 6. Wala pa po, wala pa. Sablay. Sablay pa rin. Number 8. Matapek. Same ball. 17 to shoot. Number 8. Wala. Number 30. Same ball. Number 8, 2 points. Number 3, 3 points by jersey number 3. Wala pa po. 61-56. Number 16. Wala. Now only number 5. Number 5 to number 3 again. Wala. Number 23, 2 points. Wala pa sir, wala pa. Block. 15 second shot clock. Sir, kiss lang sir. Sablay. Na on number 20. Still by number 8. Number 6, 2 points. 65-56. Change 5 tayo, change 5. Open sub na tayo, open sub. Open sub, sino na? Kahit sino? Sorpresa ng South.
Dapat nga, bawal sa
Wala. Di ba number 77? Number 5. Number 7. Sablay. Two points. Jersey number 28. To shoot. Pumukol sa 3. Sablay. Now number 7, number 4 to number 7, number 4 to number 7. Wala. 77. Wala. Number 10, wala. 23, 2 points. Nabigyan na sir eh.
Nabigyan niya yung bola kagad eh. Nahuli yung ano mo eh, sabi mo eh.
15 to shoot. 3 minutes and 35 seconds. 69-56. 77. 3 points by jersey number 77. 69-59.
Time out kayo mga Grace.
15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Three by number 77. To number 5. Easy 2 points. 69-61. 3 minutes. Number 23. 15-second shot clock. Wala. Nakakuha na yung number 20 to number 77 to number 5. 2 points. Timeout West. Official score 69-63. 6-point lead. 2 minutes and 34 seconds.
Manim, 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 manim. Momentum na, momentum.
Back to the wall game. Number 6. 15-second shot clock. Number 8. Tatabig ang bola ako. Number 8 pa rin. Wala. Nako number 77. Number 5. Easy 2 points. 4-point lead. 69-65. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. Jersey number 28. 12-second shot clock. Number 28. No good. Rebound number 20 to number 77. 1 minute and 45 seconds to number 4 to number 77. 14-second shot clock. Number 20. Pass to number 7. Sablay. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Number 30. Wala. Now number 7. Number 77, 2 points. Dalawa na lang. Nice steal number 5. Number 5. 1 minute and 10 seconds. 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Last 1 minute. 5-second shot clock. Number 7. Same ball. 2-second shot clock. 2 seconds. Two-second shot clock.
Good!
Good. Tumama sa ring. 10-second shot clock. 44 seconds. Sablay. 38 seconds. Number 77. 2 points. 34 seconds. All. 69. 30 seconds. 28. 14-second shot clock. Number 8. Wala. Same ball. 21 seconds. Down to 11 second shot clock. Timeout. Team South.
Men.
11 seconds shot lang. Wala pang penalty kaya.
Timeout kami ah. Timeout.
Timeout. Last time out yun.
Wala na black. Wala pa. Dalawa isa pala. All 69. 11 to shoot. 21 seconds. 10 to shoot. Number 8. Wala. 10 seconds. 5. Foul, jersey number 30. 6 seconds remaining time.
Good.
Seconds. Five seconds. And I know for quarter.
Ilang minutes po?
Nag-iisang timeout lang tayo ha, both teams.
Dalawa isa. Ito, parehas
Pares dalawa.
Sino nga yung call kanina? 30.
Back to the ball game for our overtime.
Bola ng block.
Bola ng black. Tablay. Number 5. Number 5. 15-second shot clock. 3 points. Ganun sana. Now number 8. Wala. Now ni number 5. Now ni number 10. Number 30. Foul. Foul, jersey number 77. First personal foul, third team foul. pick na ha. Wala number 10, grabe. May libre tayo dyan mamaya. Number 77. Number 5. Wala, nari ba number 30? Number 6 to number 8. To number 10. 15 to shoot. Number 23. Sablay, now number 20. Fifteen to shoot. Nag-iisang timeout lang po tayo about teams ha. Double dribble. Substitution tayo. Sub.
Baksa ko, tumalikod eh.
Two minutes and 50 seconds. Number 8. Pinasa number 28. Number 23. 2 points. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. 72-71. 15-second shot clock. Tumira sa number 3. No good. Number 30. 2 points. Number 30. Timeout. Team South. Wala na pang timeout ang Team South. Last timeout nyo na yun, sir.
Sabi meron pa.
Isa lang.
Isa lang lamang namin.
73, 72.
Foul counted yun.
Back to the ball game.
Shot ball.
Bola ng South. Time remaining. Last 2 minutes. 15-second shot clock. Down to 10 to shoot. 77, no good. One minute and 40 seconds, number 8. Traveling violation. One minute and 30 seconds. To shoot. 10-second shot clock. Pumukol. 3 points. Laman ang dalawa ang Team South. 75, 73. Foul. Number 7. Warning for fouled out. Warning for penalty. 1 minute and 9 seconds. Basket. Basket again. All 75. Last 1 minute. Time to shoot. Out of bounds. 53 seconds. 15 to shoot. Number 8, 2 point. 40 seconds remaining time. Block. 32 seconds. Foul. Jersey number 77. Second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty. 2 shots. Wala pa rin. 25 seconds. 10 to shoot. 5 second shot clock. Ganda. Foul basket. And 1. Foul jersey number 7. Inabot pa. Number 7. 5 fouls.
May spot. Sabi ko, isa na lang.
79-75. 15 seconds.
Dos, dos, dos.
Wala. 8 seconds. Jump ball.
South, south, south.
Same ball tayo. 4 seconds. 4.6. Time remaining. Three seconds. And end of the game. Congratulations, Team West.
Sayang. Thank you, thank you.